Metong karing peka sikat at paninayang festival kilwal at kiloding bansa ang Giant Lantern Festival o ang Ligligang Parul ng siyudad San Fernando. Mararapat ay itibalang Disyembre ng banwa bayo magpasko. Kaya tiyamo king siyudad San Fernando gagawa ng kapiesta na ini nung nuka rin paterakan dalaking tigtig ding iganting parul gamit ing roto manualing operasyon. Ing kasikata ng ligliga na iti ing sangkan nung bakit meging titulo na ng siyudad ing Home of the Giant Lanterns. Pasibayo yung midinan mata sa balor ing festival king mera pata Tourism Recognition for Enterprises and Stakeholders Awards o TRES Awards ng Department of Tourism Region 3. Kinilala yung GLF ang tibong Most Outstanding Festival para king Banwang 2023.
The Giant Lantern Festival in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Tinggap na ning alkalde ng siyudad San Fernando Mayor Vilma Caluwag kaya beding talapag-obra ng City Tourism and Investment Promotion Office sa pamuntukan ng Tsing Pangilinan. Yan naman ang binyambut Most Outstanding Tourism Officer. Agpang kaya, madagulyang bagay ang parangalay ni, uling patunay iti kilob ning 115 years, yamo kabod may ka-surviving festival, nunemes mesanting at meragulya pa.
It's a very welcome award for the Giant Lantern Festival kasi it's one of the longest festivals, the longest running festivals in our country. It's not every day na we get such kinds of recognition. Masaya kami at may kilala yung kakatamang Giant Lantern Festival. And I think what's very beautiful about it is that an old festival, a traditional festival, still is very relevant ngayong panahon na ini. And we've been able to live with the times and face the challenges na apagdalanan na ng festival through the years. And that's a hallmark of sustainability.
Ing mi sabing galal para yan naman kanu karing ega naganang gagambol, ban kanita lakwas niya maging masanting yung selebrasyon banwa-banwa.
I think at the heart of the Giant Lantern Festival is that it really takes a city to mount a Giant Lantern Festival. It's all those elements put together, the Giant Lantern makers, the support that they get from the community, from the barangay, from the city government, from our private sector partners. You add all those together, you come up with a very beautiful festival that is the Giant Lantern.
Bista manalapang bata sa mag-institutionalize king festival ay yaka ng babating iti, uling pagmasabalan nening lokal na kapinibalan ng pribadong sektor ang poding Fernandino Lantern Makers. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.